this link. There are 43 participants over there. Just click on this link, students. I want more participants. Only 44 participant is there. I want more. First is Krish, then Akshada. Third is Sanskriti. What about others? Others also joined, who joined before also again joined. Join again fast. 44 is there only. I want more. There are total 78 participants, but there is only 44. I want more. Okay, now 56 participants are there. I hope you enjoy. Okay. So in next lecture, when we're done with this, in next lecture we start before only, because today you did a great mistake and because of that you lose the time.
Tertiary occupations. Primary is the common occupations which are taken place on a large scale, as if like agriculture we speak up. Next is handloom industries. Second one is secondary occupation, that is about traveling and all the secondary type of occupation which is carried out in a country on a medium scale, that is not very large scale also, not very small scale also. And tertiary is the occupation like teaching profession, transportation, communication medium. So that is about economy and occupation.
Okay. And what about Brazil occupation? What type of occupation they are mainly doing?
Brazil is mainly involved in primary type of occupation, teacher.
For example?
For example, their agriculture is there. Next is coffee production, soybean
Okay.
production.
Okay. Mining is there. Okay, very good. So, very good. Khushi, keep it up.
Okay,
Okay.
ma'am.
So, now mute yourself, Khushi. Okay, so next one who will explain me about, okay, Bhumi. Okay, Bhumi, tell me what is meant by GDP? What is mean by GDP? Yes. I allow you to unmute. Bhumi, I unmuted you.
Ma'am, GDP is gross domestic product. That is the value of all goods and that a service made by a country or during a specific period. So that GDP means GDP provides an products.
Okay, very good, Bhumi. Just keep it up. And next, who just unmute yourself. Okay, next, who will? I will decide who will explain. Okay, I want from. Okay, Neeraj, just tell me what is mean by dispersed settlement. What is meant by dispersed settlement? I unmuted you. I allowed you.
Joined to each other and over like a line or something.
Okay, in a straight line.
Yes, teacher. In a straight line, they
Okay,
are joined to each other and in a perfect straight line.
okay, very good. You can mute yourself now.
Yes, teacher.
Okay. So now next person who will explain me, because okay, Manali will explain. Okay, just wait. I will unmute you. Okay, not just wait, because so many girls from girls side, so many answer. I want answer from Ronit. Okay, Ronit, just tell me what you learned in human and settlement lesson. I allow you to unmute. Ronit, are you there?
A part of settlement. In nuclear settlement, we learn that nuclear settlements are closely together and they are mainly found in plateau region like Narmada Valley, Vindhyan Plateau, etc. On the other hand, the dispersed settlements are found in tribal parts like Rajasthan, Himalayan
Okay.
slopes, etc. In there, we also studied about the Brazil settlements as well as India's settlements in the urbanizations of India and Brazil urbanization.
Okay.